As we approach the holiday season, it may be tempting to think there's little to celebrate. But when we take a deeper look, there most certainly is plenty to be thankful for. Within our network, we receive thousands of heartfelt customer reviews, letters, and messages thanking us for exceptional care that they or a loved one received at one of our facilities. Along with our quality awards, the message is clear. You are part of a team that provides the finest health care available anywhere. Many of these notes also focus on what makes Kettering Health Network different, the expression of our faith. Just this past week, I received a letter from a patient who shared their experience of a longer than average hospital stay. He started his care journey with anger, anxiety, and fear. What he didn't expect was how much the expression of our faith would transform his care. In his own words, he could feel Jesus' presence in the room. This letter reminds us that the heart of our mission is a higher calling than simply delivering physical care. In the spirit of Thanksgiving, I want to take a moment to share how thankful I am to be part of an organization that cares for the whole person and prioritizes prayer. Every day, I pray for you as part of my daily devotions, and I'm blessed when people pray for me. It gives me great joy to work with such an amazing team. Despite the tremendous pressure you are under, your sacrificial efforts and servant leadership continue to shine through. Since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, many of you have been working like never before. This is evident by our increasing patient load and personal encounters with the virus. The challenges that this pandemic creates continue to affect every corner of our lives. In recent days, Governor DeWine has addressed this seriousness of the challenge before us. As always, Kettering Health Network will continue to adapt and respond. Fortunately, the plans that we developed earlier in the year are allowing us to move quickly to provide the needed protocols, resources, and supplies. We continue to shift units to care for COVID patients as volume dictates. We continue to focus on the safety of our workforce, ensuring that we always have a large supply of the appropriate PPE. We continue to collaborate, always focusing on one best practice and learning from each other. While it is vital that we are vigilant within the care setting, it is just as important that we lead by example. We must continue to protect ourselves and others by wearing masks and staying 6 feet apart. It really does make a difference. Together, we will continue to lead the way by serving our community and each other during these rapidly changing times. Thanksgiving is a time to be reminded to look beyond our present circumstances. Like many before us, we face a fierce and unfamiliar set of challenges. In the face of adversity, I want to remind you that as God has led us in the past, He is with us in the present and will guide us into a glorious future. As we forge ahead with this hope in our hearts, a line from "Great is Thy Faithfulness," one of the most beloved hymns of all time, comes to mind. All I have needed, Thy hand hath provided. Great is Thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Be safe and have a blessed Thanksgiving.
Summer and winter and springtime and the harvest, sun, moon, and stars in their courses above, join with all nature in manifold witness to Thy great faithfulness, mercy, and love. Great is Thy faithfulness, great is Thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, new mercies I see. All faithfulness